Are you planning your vacation to paradise where the birds sing, the palm trees whisper, and your next big decision for the day is swim up suite or rooftop pool? Hi, I'm Nancy from New Travel Escapes. Today we're diving into the rooms and suite options at Grand Palladium Kantenah, part of the larger Grand Palladium Riviera Maya complex. Kantenah has a ridiculous number of room options, so it can be overwhelming to decide which one's going to best suit your family's needs. We're going to dig into every last suite sofa bed and secret rooftop pool so that you can decide which one will work for you. This video is part of our Grand Palladium series covering Kantenah, Colonial, White Sand, and TRS Yucatan. So if you're spending your hard-earned vacation dollars here, you'll want to know exactly what you're getting. All-inclusives are great, but you're paying for everything in advance, so it's good to know what you're actually paying for. We'll walk you through the resort pathways and buildings, show you what Kantenah actually looks like, and explain the key differences between the suite types, upgrades, and which ones include family selection perks. We'll even talk about what you don't get unless you upgrade, because that's just as important. And of course, if you're still debating which Palladium resort is right for you, or where you'll find the best tacos and cocktails, be sure to check out the rest of our videos in this series. Without further ado, let's get into it. All 252 rooms at Grand Palladium Kantenah come with the essentials: flat-screen TVs, daily refresh minibars, coffee and tea setups, safes, hair dryers, and steamers. Yes, a steamer, so your beachwear can be wrinkle-free while you pretend you're not checking your work emails. Now, if you choose a family selection room, you'll get a few nice extras: a sofa bed for extra sleeping space, bathrobes and slippers so you can feel slightly more royal, upgraded toiletries, and butler service. Not a tuxedo-wearing, tray-carrying butler, but they will check you in, make dinner reservations, and WhatsApp you the daily activity schedule. Basically, your personal vacation concierge. There are also a few dedicated extras for the kiddos. So the Deluxe Garden View is the entry-level room non-family selection. It's approximately 400 square feet or 37 square meters. This is your standard room option. Nothing fancy, but it's solid. 1 king or 2 doubles, all are garden view and located near the front of the resort. I'll show you here. Think classic tropical hotel room with plenty of space to stash your suitcase and maybe do a few yoga poses if you're feeling inspired. As you could probably tell from their location on the map, they're all garden view. If you don't want to upgrade to family selection, then this is the only room category option available to you. Out of Kantenah's 252 rooms, 169 of them are considered family selection. So let's move on and talk about those next. Unless it is a beachfront category, the family selection rooms are in these buildings. Family Selection Junior Suite Garden View. Same size, same basic layout, but with the family selection upgrades. So bathrobes and slippers, a sofa bed, and that handy butler. These rooms are sprinkled throughout the family selection buildings and give you access to a little more curated vacation experience. Family Selection Junior Suite Swim Up. Now this is where things get splashy, literally. You're on the ground floor with a private terrace and a Bali bed and a small pool right outside of your sliding door. 1 king or 2 queens, and it sleeps up to 2 adults and 2 kids. Perfect for families or anyone who wants to roll out of bed and into the water without checking the pool hours. Family Selection Junior Suite Rooftop Private Pool. Now we're getting vertical. This 2-story suite gives you the same sleeping layout on the main floor, but then boom, your own private rooftop with a plunge pool and a view. It's ideal for people who want that rooftop terrace vibe with a small pool to cool off. But if you have little ones who struggle with stairs, then this is not for you. But if you want a little outdoor space away from sleeping kiddos, then this one might be a good choice. The rooftop terraces are located in the beachfront buildings. Family Selection Junior Suite Swim Up Beachside. Same as all the others, but this one adds the ocean into the mix. Your ground floor steps from the beach, and you still have that swim up access. It's the junior suite with the best location when you want to be close to the sand. Just a heads up, the beachfront building is the only one on the property with an elevator. If you want some more space in your room, you can check out the suites, which are bigger than the junior suites. Suites are approximately 1,100 square feet or 103 square meters. Starting with the family selection Beachside suite, it is big, beachy, and beautiful. 1 king or 2 queens plus a sofa bed. It's large and the terrace has a jacuzzi just for you. Whether you're a family of 5 or just someone who likes to have a generous amount of personal space, the suite might be just what you're looking for. Suite Swim Up Beachside Family Selection. Identical in size and layout to the previous suite, but with that swim up feature. You've got a full living room, hydro massage bath, and beachfront swim up vibes. This is the suite you book when you're committed to both luxury and wet feet. Family Selection Rooftop Private Pool Suite. This suite encompasses 2 floors with your own private rooftop pool, spacious living room with a sofa bed, a king or 2 doubles. You're high up, fancy, and likely very relaxed. This is a popular choice for couples or families who want privacy with perks. Put the little ones to bed and head upstairs to your rooftop hideaway, an adult oasis while still being close at hand. Family Selection Ambassador Suite. 2 kings in 1 giant bedroom plus a separate living room with a sofa bed. You also get a second bathroom because even on vacation, bathroom space is sacred. There's a garden view terrace with a jacuzzi tub so you can soak with a cocktail, maybe some room service delivery, and really reach that zen state. Family Selection Signature Suite. 2 stories, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 large rooftop terrace, 1 king, 2 doubles, and a sofa bed. It's pretty much like a small house designed as a vacation suite. Now, you'll need to be a member of the Palladium Travel Club to book this one, so if you're not a member, skip it and look at the other options. But if you are, this is bougie. Then there's the Residence Beach Suite, or the Big Kahuna. This is it, the biggest and boldest suite on the property, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a full dining area, massive oceanfront terrace with a private pool, 1 king bed and 2 doubles in each of the other bedrooms. This is perfect for large families, multi-gen trips, or anyone trying to create a core memory or a once-in-a-lifetime. So I think that's it. Thanks for sticking with me. You now know all of the different suites available at Grand Palladium Kantenah. Are you more of a garden view minimalist who values the budget, a swim-up maximalist, or maybe you're just here for the rooftop pool selfies? There are always promo codes and discounts to be found, and Palladium even has kids stay free promotions at certain times of the year. We made a video about all of the kids stay free promotions at every resort that we know about, so be sure to check that video out if you're looking to find an all-inclusive vacation with your kids. You can save some serious cash if you know where to look. Whatever your vacation style, there's a good chance Kantenah has a room to match. But heads up, those bigger suites, there aren't many of them, so if one caught your eye, book early or be prepared to refresh the resort website like it's Ticketmaster. And remember, when you stay at Kantenah, you also get access to Colonial and White Sand. And there's even more included than most guests realize. There's a full sports complex, a spa, and restaurants galore. If you're part of the family selection and you're over 18, you can even sneak over to TRS Yucatan, the adults-only area, for some bonus peace and quiet. We've made videos covering all of it, the restaurants, the other resorts, even tips for saving money on your trip. So make sure you check those out before you go full vacation mode. I'll link them for you in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss anything, especially if you're still deciding where to book. This channel exists to give you unbiased resort reviews based on our experiences. We are entirely self-funded, and we don't tell the resorts that we're making videos about our experience, and no one ever recognizes us. Our goal is to help you spend smarter and relax harder and to find the resort that is a great fit for you and your family. We share all of the things that we've learned along the way with you. Another tip I have for you, if you're traveling with little ones and you're trying to figure out how to pick up kid essentials like swim diapers, regular diapers, sunscreen, and other extras, be sure to watch our Top 5 Cancun Transfer Company video. We have been there and done that, and we tell you all about how to choose a transfer company that will make a stop at Walmart or Costco for you along the way to stock up on all of those things and more. So you don't need to pay the ridiculous prices at the resorts, and you don't need to waste valuable suitcase space. Thank you so much for watching. The only way our channel exists is through your support, and we've tried to make it win-win. If you choose to support our unbiased and honest content, please use the links in our description box or on our Facebook page to book your next trip. It costs you exactly the same as if you booked it by yourself, but the travel company throws a couple of dollars our way to help support the channel. I would really appreciate your help in being able to continue. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful week. Happy vacation planning, and we'll be back next week with more new travel escapes. Bye, everybody.